Hello and welcome to the Tech Time Warp. Our mission is simple: to measure the painful scale of the past against the luxury of the present. Today, our Tech Time Traveler asks, is AI coming for our jobs or creating a new world of opportunity? Everyone's asking if AI is going to steal our jobs. But after countless trips to the future, the real story is far more unexpected. Forget the headlines. This isn't just about replacement, it's a tsunami of transformation. Every single one of you watching this will feel this shift. The question isn't if, it's how. And what do we do about it? Get ready to warp your perspective. First shocker, AI isn't just taking creative jobs, it's creating them. Meet the AI prompt engineer. Your skill? Talking to AI, coaxing masterpieces out of it. We're becoming AI whisperers, guiding these tools to innovate. It's unlocking entirely new human creative potential. Second truth, AI is often an augmenter, not an automator. Your ultimate co-pilot, doctors, lawyers, engineers. AI makes them superhuman. Jobs shift from repetition to high-level judgment. It's us and them collaborating for unprecedented efficiency. And here's the most beautiful twist. AI is making us value our unique humanity more than ever. Jobs demanding empathy, emotional intelligence, in-person connection, like teaching, therapy, or bespoke artistry, are soaring. When AI handles the data, we get to focus on what only we can provide: connection, creativity, and genuine human experience. So, the AI apocalypse for jobs? Not quite. It's a seismic shift, yes, but one that rewards adaptability, creativity, and above all, our inherent humanity. The future job market isn't about us versus them. It's about us and them working together. The machine isn't the replacement, it's the ultimate assistant. What jobs do you think AI will transform next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Time Warp for more mind-bending tech discussions. Until next time, keep exploring.